Check it out, the sunset at guess where it's at. Thank you for tuning in again. We're at San Francisco. Golden Gate Bridge over there. Bay Bridge that way. We're over here checking out the sunset. About to go down right now. Show me over. Yeah, the sun about to go down. Oh, it's going down and he's going down. Look, the sun's going down. Look, it's gone. It's gone. 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 Disappeared. Good night, everybody. Oh, so pretty. We call it a day. Man. Ocean Beach for you. There's the apartments. We come here twice. Once last year, once this year. So far, this is where we kick it when it's so hot over there in Stockton. When it's hot. So yeah, it's cold. Look at it. You need a jacket. Come on. The sun just set. That's where we camped last night over there by the machine. It was cold. Amazing. Sun down. We are camping. I'm gonna show you where we're camping at. Okay, you see that green thing right there? That's our camp for the night. That's our tent. That's where we're sleeping tonight. Last night we slept over there. See the finger? Over there. There. That's our camp for tonight. We pitch tents and go to town. Then a blow up mattress. And we just relax and go to town. Why not? And wait for the next day. And then hopefully we get the van next. So I parked the car on the other side and I sit right there for today. Oh, this is cold. It's freezing, huh? Go. Let's go. That's it. Beautiful sunset. A gray overcast, which means it's gonna be nice and warm tonight. And the bird is going. What's that? South? Southeast. Yeah, the bird going southeast, heading southeast right now. Anyways, enjoy. Thank you for tuning in. Look at the sand. The ocean on the other side. You wanna go look? I'll be back. You wanna head to the camp? Okay. Well, thank you for tuning in. You're locking out.